Hi, I am Gaurav Rai from Setpa Infotech Private Limited, the best training and development company in India in the field of VHDL, C programming, Java, embedded system, .NET, Android and etc. I am a VHDL trainer in this company. Today I am going to tell you a project CPLD based line follower using VHDL. In this project, we will discuss about some topic, the basic idea behind this project, explanation of project with use of block diagrams, and at last, different electronics module of this project. The basic idea in this project is to receive some control signal from IR sensors module and the CPLD, which is used to control the basic operation of robot. For example, move forward, move left, move right, and stop. Generally, people ask a question to us, why are you using CPLD in place of microcontroller when microcontroller is cheapest than CPLD? Now, I am going to tell a reason behind it. When we are using CPLD, which is programmed in VHDL, then we can make an electronics digital device which is only made for a line follower robot, and it is made for specifically the purpose of making line follower robot. When we make a device with use of this, we can reduce cost power used in this system. Now we are going to explain the block diagram of this project and the basic idea. First, we will discuss that what is the IR sensor, and in IR sensor there are three main components: IR LEDs, photodiode and amplifier circuit. IR LEDs is used to transmit the IR lights, and IR photodiode receive this light and transmit a signal which is amplified by the amplifier and transmit to the CPLD. CPLD is used to control motor on the basis of input signal coming from IR sensors. IR LEDs is used to transmit IR rays, and photodiode is used to receive reflected IR rays, and amplifier is used to amplify the output of photodiode. When this IR sensor is on the white surface, it transmits to the photodiode. Output of the IR sensor given to the CPLD, and CPLD control motors on the basis of this logic. Now come to the input part. When IR sensor works, it gives the input to the CPLD 11, 01, 10 and 00. When both input is 1, means though both LEDs, IR LEDs on white surface, then it gives in output 11, and our CPLD is programmed to control motor and make it moving in forward direction. When 01 input is come, then our LEDs give 01 input to the CPLD, and CPLD is controlling the motor with you to left directions. When 10, then CPLD move motors right directions. When 00, then it stops the motor. Now processing. For the forward motion, when our both IR sensors in right direction and left direction give 11 input to our processing unit or CPLD, our motor move forward directions, as you can see in this animation. When our one IR sensor, left IR sensor, gives 0 and other is giving 1, then our only one motor move in forward direction, other is stop, then our motor move in left direction. In last part, when our IR sensor, right IR sensor gives 0 and left IR sensor gives 1, then our motor move in right direction, because our left motor is rotating and right motor is stopped. Now for the stopping, both IR sensor is on
CPLD based line follower robot.
which is basically made by us with use of IR sensor, which is used to sense the line, which give logics to control our motor with use of CPLD. CPLD basically used for the controlling our motor to follow the line. Now this is IR sensors which is used to give logic 1 and logic 0 according to the surface. When our IR sensor is logic 0 on white surface, it gives logic 1, and when it is on black surface, it gives logic 0. With this connector, our logic come in on this kit. With use of this input, our CPLD control our motor, which is connected through this connector. When our logic 1 is come, both motor rotate forward direction, and when logic 0 is come, then one motor is stopped and other is rotating. Now let's see the working of this project. By this way, you can see my robot is following this given path, and it works properly. You can make different projects with use of CPLD and VHDL.